Thanks to a recently created brace that encourages a forward-leaning position, travelers can now sleep peacefully in the air. Working with medical experts, the designers created this device to ease breathing and lower chest strain, therefore enabling more pleasant lengthy flights. The help comes with a small 27 by 20 centimeter carrying case that guarantees easy fit into luggage. Travelers may get a whole set for $145, including the tray table, stopper, cover, and support. This creative approach solves the typical annoyances of air travel so that travelers may get at their locations calm and rejuvenated. For outdoor photographers, handling DSLR cameras can be challenging and hazardous. A Hong Kong business has shown a gun-style camera cage in order to simplify the shooting experience. Running 50 centimeters in length with a trigger to drive the camera shutter and a yellow lever for mode switching. This cage weighs 800 grams. Approved by well-known names including Canon, Sony, and Nikon, it also accommodates a range of accessories including microphones and lighting. This unique design is supposed to increase use and simplicity for photographers on the run. Here, with a breakthrough drone system that independently moves things up to 2 kilograms over distances of 20 kilometers, is the future of delivery. Comprising drones, stations, and a sophisticated cloud infrastructure, this service runs around the clock, automatically substituting batteries as needed. The FAA in the United States has also allowed their use, therefore enabling contactless delivery of necessary goods, including over-the-counter drugs to senior citizens. This creative answer seems to redefine accessibility and ease, therefore opening the path for a new phase of logistics. With its cutting-edge smart bank cards with built-in CPUs and fingerprint scanners, Samsung is entering the banking of tomorrow. This technology does away with PIN codes. Just lay your finger on the card to authorize purchases. These cards improve transaction speed and security, since they let to safely save up to 3 fingerprints without sending data to the bank. Samsung's entry into biometric banking underlines the increasing demand for accessibility and safety in financial operations, even if the release date is currently unknown. These smart cards might change our interactions with our money as digital payments develop. On June 5th, Apple aficionados were ecstatic when the company revealed the Vision Pro mixed reality headset, which would go on sale early 2024. At the turn of a wheel, this futuristic gadget provides a flawless transition between virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality modes. Its 4K display for every eye fulfills several functions: mobile office, home entertainment, navigation system, 3D video camera. About 450 grams, the Vision Pro has voice commands, hand gestures, and easy controls using eye movement. With its innovative design, the Omega-1 internal combustion engine distinguishes itself in a world driven by electric cars. 2 hollow shafts coupled by gears rotate in opposite directions in this creative engine. Fuel burns in distinctive ring-shaped chambers to provide torque without conventional cylinders or pistons, hence extending lifetime and efficiency. Reaching speeds of 25,000 RPM, it runs on a 4-stroke cycle and has a special skip-fire capability, therefore maximizing fuel use. Especially, the Omega-1 can run on hydrogen as well. Therefore, it could revolutionize generators, high-performance vehicles, and aerospace uses. Presenting the amazing water filtration and desalination system, Galmobile, developed on a Ranger diesel ATV chassis. Daily freshwater purification capacity of this mobile station is up to 140,000 liters. Desalination of 20,000 liters of salt water is possible. Under enhanced artificial intelligence, the Galmobile, which uses a 22-step purification process, can create safe drinking water within only 30 minutes. Perfect for hard-to-reach locations, its compact wheelbase and all-wheel drive help it to be suited for rough terrain. Welcome to HAPS by PSI Picture, a massive airship swooping high overhead offering internet connectivity like a home router. Operating at an elevation of almost 12 miles and measuring 213 feet long, this elongated airship reduces the effect of winds. Helium-filled, it independently floats for months under solar panel cover on its outside. Recently tested in New Mexico, HAPS seeks to provide the Navajo tribes and other far-off locations internet access. The U.S. government intends to monitor the environment using these airships, therefore providing a creative and sustainable means to close the digital divide in underprivileged areas. A groundbreaking spray on fabric technology exhibition at Paris Fashion Week highlighted the direction of fashion innovation. Tiny fibers are sprayed through a specially designed gun where polymers and biopolymers bind them together to create a non-woven textile. When the solvent comes into touch with skin, it evaporates right away and leaves a strong cloth behind. This creative technique not only lets one create on-demand clothes, but also connects with medical and diagnostic tools, therefore transforming conventional textile production and providing countless opportunities in design. Presenting a Slovakian revolutionary gyroplane meant for both leisure and business travel. This aircraft can carry up to 270 kilograms with a 500-kilometer range and a maximum speed of 195 kilometers per hour. Maintenance expenses are far lower, and flying is simpler than using helicopters. Its modular internal architecture lets one customize electronic systems and engine power range from 141 to 160 horsepower. For site studies, remote equipment checks, tourism, flying safely in all weather, the gyroplane is flexible enough. Using a unique coating on fuselage and engines, Swiss Airlines has pioneered the application of sharkskin-inspired technology on commercial passenger planes. Millions of microscopic protrusions in this novel, covering increased aerodynamics by smoothing the airflow around the aircraft. Consequently, reduced fuel use and less hazardous pollutants could help to yearly decrease up to 15 tons of CO2 emissions. Originally applied on Boeing 777 aircraft, this environmentally friendly solution not only improves performance, but also offers notable fuel savings of up to 4,800 tons annually. Caretakers gain from a high-tech instrument called the Resistograph in the middle of New York City's Central Park, home of some 20,000 trees. Essential for maintaining urban forestry, this tool finds hidden fractures and decay in trees, therefore indicating harm. Able to drill down to a depth of 50 centimeters, it evaluates tree trunks with diameters up to 3 meters. About 4 kilograms weight, the Resistograph is small and comes with a handy carrying box. It guarantees accurate monitoring by wirelessly real-time data streaming to laptops or cell phones. Innovative technology is required to improve mobility, considering 39 million blind people worldwide. Aiming to replace guide dogs and help users negotiate unfamiliar surroundings, a new gadget looks like spectacles but worn on the forehead. Sensors and cameras enable it to determine distance, object kind, and surface structure. The gadget warns users to hazards using tactile and audible signals, therefore offering necessary orientation. The designers think this device will greatly improve independence by letting users interact with their surroundings and recover their freedom. Presenting the P-15W, said to be the most sophisticated helicopter landing pad ever developed. This roomy pad, with a 4.5 tons load capacity, and has movable edges for secure landings. With its own processor, all-wheel drive, and traction control which guarantees flawless operation on any terrain, including ground covered in snow. The clever system is, should a hard landing arise, the pad changes to steady the helicopter, therefore reducing the likelihood of tipping. Which technology in this video do you like the most? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.